Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Vsitoo self-cleaning smart water bottle, a revolutionary product designed to keep your drinks pure and at the perfect temperature. This innovative bottle boasts a self-cleaning function that sterilizes itself every cycle, ensuring you always have safe water on the go. With its smart temperature display, you can easily check the water's temperature by simply pressing the touch-enabled lid, preventing any accidental burns. The bottle is equipped with a magnetic, easy-charge USB port and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 10 days, making it incredibly convenient for those on the move. Crafted from premium 304-grade stainless steel, this double-wall vacuum-insulated bottle keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12 hours, perfect for any adventure. The silicone bottom prevents slipping and spilling, while the BPA-free materials ensure safe and healthy use. Whether you're hitting the gym, hiking, or just running errands, the Vsitoo self-cleaning smart water bottle is your perfect hydration companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.